Welcome. If you've ever felt like your body doesn't bounce back the way it used to, maybe stiff joints, an aching back, or muscles that just don't cooperate, then this might catch your attention. Because today, we're taking a close look at something called Balmorex Pro, a formula that promises to bring strength, flexibility, and comfort back into your daily life. Now, what exactly is it? Balmorex Pro is a deep-penetrating, non-greasy cream made with a blend of natural, plant-based ingredients. It's designed to support healthy joints, muscles, and your back. So instead of masking pain, it focuses on soothing and nourishing the area that needs relief. But here's what really stands out. Most products in this category rely on temporary cooling effects or chemical fillers. Balmorex Pro takes a different route. It uses a 27-in-1 multiple-use formula, built entirely around natural extracts. It's made in an FDA-registered facility, following strict quality standards, and it's free from coatings or unnecessary additives. So what's actually inside? You've got MSM, which helps reduce inflammation and improve flexibility. Arnica Oil, famous for easing muscle soreness. Hemp Seed Oil, rich in omega fats to help joints stay lubricated. Indian frankincense, one of nature's most powerful comfort agents. And ingredients like aloe vera, Epsom salt, shea butter, and ginger root, all working together to relax, soothe, and rejuvenate your body. The idea is simple. Apply it directly to the area you want to target, your knees, back, shoulders, or muscles, and let those active botanicals absorb quickly through the skin. It's non-staining, fast-acting, and safe to use even with other pain relievers. Now, let's talk about what everyone wants to know. Does it actually deliver results? Based on its composition, the combination of anti-inflammatory and circulation-boosting ingredients makes sense. Used regularly, it's expected to help with stiffness, ease tension, and promote smoother, freer movement over time. If you'd like to learn more, or grab your own supply, I've left the official website and discount link down in the description. Check it out while the promo offers are still live. And what about safety? Balmorex Pro is made only from pure, clean components, no harsh chemicals, no synthetic perfumes. It's designed to be gentle enough for daily use, while still being strong enough to make a noticeable difference. If you're curious about pricing, here's the breakdown straight from the official page. A single jar costs $79, which is great for trying it out. But the bigger savings come from the bundles, the 3-jar pack at $59 each, and the 6-jar pack at just $49 each. Both multi-jar options come with 2 free ebooks, Shortcut to Wellness and Immunity Upgraded, plus free US shipping. Naturally, the 6-jar bundle gives you the biggest discount and long-term supply, so it's the best value overall. And yes, everything is protected by a 60-day money-back guarantee. If you don't see results, you get a full refund. No forms, no hassle. That shows real confidence in what they're offering. Now, my honest take? If you've been searching for a natural way to support joint and muscle comfort without relying on harsh medication or greasy ointments, Balmorex Pro looks like a smart choice. I like that it combines traditional ingredients with modern quality standards, and that it's designed for both quick relief and long-term support. Personally, I'd give it a try. It's one of those formulas that makes sense both on paper and in practice. If you'd like to learn more, or grab your own supply, I've left the official website and discount link down in the description. Check it out while the promo offers are still live. Thanks for watching, and here's to moving freely, feeling stronger, and getting back to the things you love, pain-free.